How are you today? Good morning, everyone. Hello, Mary. Hello, Patrick. Hello, Stephen. How are you guys? We are great here. Welcome to today's trading session. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com. It's too hot. Mary is 42 degrees again here in Limassol. And we have an issue of a yellow warning. It means that we need to stay inside, guys, and trade, basically, instead of going out. So we are enjoying the sunshine here in Cyprus, and actually this profession allows you to stay inside and just enjoy the sunshine. So for today, guys, we have already opened some positions, and let me sum up what we have done so far. Basically, I have entered long positions Euro-Yen with a take profit at 131.81. I have also entered a long position on Euro-Dollar at 1.16343 with take profit at 1.1657. I have entered two positions on Pound Dollar. The first position with 3 lots has a TP of 131.19, and the second position, long GBP USD, has a take profit of 131.12, and I have shorted dollar yen with a take profit at 112.79. Now, these are the current positions I currently have opened, and as you can see, I might build up on this position, so I will open maximum 3 trades per pair, 3 lots, 4 lots, and 5 lots, and with the corresponding price targets, of course, each time. And the stop loss, because you might be wondering where is my stop loss, guys, I will not put a stop loss. The stop loss will only be put on the trades once the third trade is opened. So if I have 2 positions, it means that the trade is doing well, so no stop loss. If I open a third position, this means that the market is going against me, and as soon as I place the third trade, I will also place my stop loss. Now, we are monitoring the 1-minute charts of Euro-Yen, Euro-Dollar, Pound-Dollar, and we are getting ready most probably for a short position on dollar CAD, guys. Let me strengthen my platform as well on dollar CAD, and we are waiting for long positions on Aussie dollar, short dollar CHF. For the moment, we are staying with these 4 trades. I repeat, we are long Euro-Yen, long Euro-Dollar, 2 positions long Pound-Dollar, and a short on dollar-Yen with the corresponding take profits, guys. So for today, in approximately 25 minutes from now, we have important announcements on the GBP, guys. We have the CPI year-on-year, Consumer Price Index. This is a prime measure of inflationary pressure in an economy, and the figure is expected to come out at 2.6% versus 2.4% the previous actual month figure. So this is the one announcement that is important for today. Also, we have for the European Union the final CPI in approximately 55 minutes from now. So in 25 minutes we have the CPI of the UK. In 55 minutes we have the final CPI year on year for the European Union, expected to be steady at 2%, exactly as the previous month actual results. And at 12:30 UTC time we have the building permits from the United States, and we expect an improved figure of 1.33 million versus 1.30 million the previous month. Also, today, again at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Fed Chair Powell testifies again. And of course, don't forget 2:30 crude oil inventories. So this is a quick update for you, from me. I see that the leaf has already shorted Italy 40, although she said yesterday that she will not touch it again. But okay, I'm transferring you to Elite, guys. That's all from me for the moment. If I have any updates, I will let you know.
Hello guys, here I am again. Hope you had a great afternoon. Hello Mary, Patrick, hello Stephen, welcome to our trading, live trading room here at trademy.com. So Gaston, we had an amazing trading afternoon. Yes, Mary, go take profit of gold hit. I think just 10 minutes after we closed our live trading show, and we made another 6K over there on our last positions. So it was really nice. Hello, George. Welcome. So we had yesterday a gold rush over here, and we made in total around $14,000 on gold yesterday. Was good, was good. Let's see if we can do something similar today as well. So I went short on gold. Uh, on Italy 40. I see here a small downtrend. I put also my stop, my take profit. I'm aiming a profit of $1,600, $1,300. Let's put it there. I'm short on Italy 40. I entered at 21,917. My stop loss is at 22,124. My take profit is at 21,861. There we go. Our first trade for today. Let's see how it developed. Yes, I told yesterday to Kyriakos that I will not touch Italy 40 for the next 3 days, because the last 3 days it was giving me more losses than profits. But I saw it today, and it was selling me bella, and I was like, okay, I have to trade on Italy 40. I can't live without it. So I put a trade. Yeah, George. He was telling to me, come over and trade me, and I couldn't stand. I couldn't hold back. I'm looking right now to France 40, and I don't see a nice moment. UK 100. We had yesterday also a small position on UK 100. We didn't make a big profit over there, around $200. George closed his Dow Jones position, I think, from last night, and he made $200. Well done. This is what we want. USA 100, Nasdaq. Yes, Nasdaq. This morning, not a big trading volume, not a big volatility. George opened it today, this morning, 40 minutes ago approximately, and he closed with $200 profit. Well done, George. I think you got slowly the move, and you know what to do and how to do it, right? Italy 40 is making right now $176. Seems like a nice start. Let's see. USA 100, we will trade also today during the US opening to see how the market moves. Dow Jones. Yeah, Dow Jones had a nice movement. Let's see. Maybe we can do something here as well. Yes, it looks like a really nice movement. George, well done. You spot the possibility and you entered the market. Yep, I will enter it as well. I will put here a sell limit. I want a sell limit at 25 115.60. Yes, I will sell also USA 30 lots. I will sell once the price almost the price almost reached. Let's see if we can get a better price. Yeah, let me see. Maybe we can get even a better price here than the one which we were aiming to get. Guys, let's wait a bit. I will not sell now. I will not sell now. I will wait for a more favorable pullback here. And then I will sell it. Let's see also the DAX, how DAX is behaving today. DAX has a nice uptrend. Also here, we can aim for a buy position, but I want to keep an eye on Dow Jones. It looks very interesting. And most probably I will go short with Dow Jones, but I'm waiting for a better price. Around this level here, I'm aiming a price. Let's get a better price. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. George, are you planning to enter it again as well? Okay, yeah, there we go. It's coming close to our entry level. Gold, what's happening with gold today? As we said yesterday, we had this huge drop where we made our profits and then it got stuck in the same price level and now it's still in a downtrend. Guys, I will go short again on gold. I will go short again on gold. I'm selling gold. And now I'm going back to Dow Jones because it's a pullback. We got a quite good price and I believe we will make some money here. Now I'm going back to USA 30 to see. You see, guys, sometimes it's really good to wait a bit more. As you see here, we have a strong pullback on a 1-minute chart on Dow Jones. In general, I'm expecting I'm expecting a down movement on Dow Jones, but I want a better price for that. Let's leave it there and see what's going on. So Mary is with me in the gold trade. Italy 40 dropped a bit, but still not giving us the profits what we are looking for. Let's go to Dow Jones. I don't want to miss the possibility on Dow Jones, to be honest. So on a 15 minutes chart, we see it will go down. On a 5 minutes chart, okay guys, I will put a sell limit instead of watching it all the time. I will put a sell limit on Dow Jones. I will go short on Dow Jones with, yes, there we go. I go short on Dow Jones with 30 lots. Let's see how it will develop. There we go. Very nice. We are short on Italy 40. We are short on Dow Jones. And we are short on gold. So Dow Jones is giving us already some profits. Not really. Not yet. Almost there, almost there. Let's see where we put here our take profit and our stop loss. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Okay, I'm aiming here. We are right now at 25,112, and my take profit I'm aiming here is 25,904, and my stop loss is 25,155. There we go. This is what I'm aiming. So yes, this is what I'm aiming. I'm aiming a profit on Dow Jones of $688. Let's see what we will get out of here. Gold is not moving much in our favor yet. We are still trying to pay the spread, and on all our positions we are still paying the spread, and then it will get into profit. So at this time of the day, sometimes the market is a bit low because the first movement passed already during the opening of the European market. The first volatility passed, and we need to be a bit more patient to get our profits. On oil, let's see how oil is behaving for the last few days. As you know, oil was traded at $75. It was a very high level since I think it was since April 2014. It was not traded at this level. And during the last week, we had a very, very strong drop. While it was traded at $74, now it's down to $67 per barrel. Definitely, it's an interesting asset, and we have to see if it will bounce back at around $64. Today we will have oil inventories in the afternoon. Will be interesting to see if the price will drop lower, because as you know, during the inventories they are trying to regulate a bit the market and the price of the dollar, and currently maybe it will drop today around $64. Anybody short on oil? Anybody of you guys short on oil? No. Okay, I see. No. Patrick is normally trading quite often oil. He likes to trade oil, and in general, I tend today. Patrick, no money. I see. You still have a lot of positions open, I guess. Currently. Uh-huh. I see. Let's see if we can sell. Yes, let's sell a bit oil. We just sold a bit oil. We are today quite on the short side of the trades. We shorted gold, we shorted Italy 40, we shorted Dow Jones, and now we shorted oil. The oil trade, I'm aiming to leave it a bit longer. My take profit on oil will be at 66.990, and my stop loss will be at 67.705. So this is what I'm aiming right now. On all our trades, we are still in the spread area except of gold. On gold, we are losing a bit. Patrick is saying is asking if oil will reverse today. Basically, today we have the oil inventories, as you know, Patrick, but there are still a lot of time to go. Until then, I believe it will drop. And according to the announcement, it will react, but I believe they will try to push a bit more down the oil price. It's very high currently. I know at some point it was traded at $140 per barrel. Now it's at 67. I believe the price might drop down. So we have now open sell position on gold, sell position on Italy 40, sell position on USA 30, and a sell position on oil. Quite interesting. We have all over the place sell positions. Let's see if we Okay, I see. In 4 minutes, we will have a news from Great Britain. I will pass you shortly to Kyriakos, but before I pass you, I'm tending to go long on DAX, but no, guys, I will pass you to Kyriakos and then we will see.
Thank you very much, Elif. Welcome back, guys. Now, just a small update. Let me squeeze the screen here. So we have entered an additional long position, second position long on Euro Yen. And also we have two positions, 3 lots and 4 lots on Pound Dollar. We are approaching the news announcements for the day. This is the 1 minute chart of Pound Dollar, guys. and we are closely monitoring that. We are entering long positions today for pound dollar, and we have already opened 2 positions. If I open a third position of 5 lots, then automatically I will place my stop loss for all 3 trades. Also, I have 1 long position euro dollar, 3 lots, and 1 short position dollar yen. So now guys, all eyes are on pound dollar. We definitely want pound dollar to go up, but even if it goes down, we don't lose our patience. We will open a third position, most probably long, and we will adjust our stop losses and take profits accordingly. So we are waiting for the CPI to be announced. It's out any minute now. I repeat that expectations are talking about a figure of 2.6%. Along with CPI, there are other 6 announcements, overall 6, another 5 announcements. We have the PPI input, we have the RPI, the core CPI, the HPI, and the PPI output. A lot of announcements on the GBP, on the pound dollar, guys. So we expect some volatility on the pound dollar pair and all the pound pairs actually. So we are waiting now any minute for the news to come out, and this is the 1 minute chart of pound dollar. Currently we have 7 lots on it, and maybe we open, if it keeps going down, maybe I will open another position if the setup is given, and then I will determine my stop loss for all the 3 pound dollar trades. Now the other trades do not have stop loss because only if I open 3 trades I would place, on each pair I would place stop loss. So for example, if I open another trade on euro yen, I will place stop loss on all 3 trades. If I open another pound dollar trade, I will place stop loss on all 3 trades. Only take profits for the moment, and we can see now pound dollar. This is the pound dollar chart, guys. Enjoy the volatility. Hopefully it's with our side. We have take profits at 131.12 and 131.19. In the meantime, let me check in case I have a short setup on the dollar CHF. No, I don't have it for the moment. No. Okay, guys, let's go back to our pound dollar trade. So now the announcement is made. Huge drop on pound dollar. That's not momentarily drop. We want pound dollar now to start moving up, and it came out same as previous month, guys. 2.4, a bit worse than expected. And look at the volatility, guys. A bit worse than expected. PPI input a bit worse than expected, but better than the previous month. So we have mixed figures there. Let us see what's going on. All the news came worse than expected, but some of them came better than previous month. Okay, no worries. We had a sudden drop on pound dollar. Let me see if I will open the third position, and then we will place stop loss for all 3 trades. Okay, let's wait a bit. We need to wait a bit and see how it goes, guys. It's falling. Euro dollar also fall for momentarily. Euro yen tries to rebound. How many of you have traded pound dollar today? Short, long positions, guys? Share your thoughts with us. Okay. Some nervousness on the pairs because of this announcement. Expected. Let me check. Mhm. Okay, let's see how low will go this pair today. All right, guys. Most probably we will enter our Fed position long on pound dollar as soon as the correct setup is given. For the moment, we are staying with two long positions on euro yen, two long positions on pound dollar, and one long position on euro dollar and one short position on dollar yen. Everything is falling now. All right, let's see. All right. Okay, guys. Next announcement will be out at 12 o'clock, actually 9 o'clock a.m. UTC time. Okay, I will monitor pound dollar and let you know if I will open a third position and place a stop loss on all three trades, guys. For the moment, all of our trades are losing again today, currently down almost 7,000, almost $8,000. We will see how the day goes, guys. All right, that's all from me for the moment. And if you have any updates, any positions running,
Yes.
Hey guys, here I am. Basically, I was checking here the UK 100. The UK 100 made a huge jump during the announcement. You can see it here, and the uptrend is going quite strongly up. My gold position started to develop positively. Italy 40 is giving me again a hard time. I hope it will be not the fourth day in a row where we don't make big profits on Italy 40, but we will see how it will develop. For UK 100, I'm considering to enter again a long position. As you can see here, we had this huge move, and what do you think, guys? Shall we enter? Let's see there. Yes, I will open a small position. I will open a position and see how it develops. It might be the biggest move we missed already. It's a small movement. It's a small movement which we aim now. I don't think so that it will take a lot of, that we will get a lot of profits out of it. However, we went long with UK 100. Let me see where we aim some profits. We aim our profits here. I'm putting my take profit on this at 7,691. My stop loss I'm putting at 7,624. There we go. There we go. We just put our trade on. We are aiming a profit of $500 here. Italy 40 is making me a difficult time today. As you can see, it was in a nice downtrend. Now it started to go up. Although we are short, hopefully it will move in our direction. Let's see how it will develop. Not much movement, unfortunately, today to give us some happy moments. But still, we didn't close any position for today. I think on gold, I might take the decision now to close it a bit earlier to get some money in. And yes, I will close it. I will close it with a profit of around $300. I want to close it with a profit of $300, I think. My gold position. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I want to close. I put a stop. I take profit. Let me put also a stop loss on my gold position, because as you guys know, we have to protect always our positions, right? Right. We have to protect always our positions. There we go. And I'm currently making $100 on my gold position, and I believe it will drop further down. What's going on here? There we go. There we go. Let's see. Let's see there. However, Italy 40 started to drop a bit. UK 100 is dropping significantly. UK 100 is dropping. It almost closed the gap of this morning. Our oil position, as I said, we put it for later on. I see my gold position is making right now some money. Let me see, it's dropping. Yes, good. We are making right now $400 on gold. We are making 400, 500, 600, 650. 650. Guys, we have some movements on gold. $700, 710. So there we go. It started to move a bit. Come on. 800, 900. Guys, we are making $900 on gold. Come on, gold, a bit more. A bit more. At $900, I will close my position. I have a take profit at $1,300, but I think at $900, I will close my position. Mary, how much are you making right now on the gold position? Come on, a bit more down, a bit more down. We can get it. Come on, we can get it. We can get it. A bit more down, and we will close this position. There we go. 700, 700. I know that the price will drop. Can we wait for it? Let me see, the bulls are getting smaller. Come on, we can get it. We can get a bit more on gold. Gold started to move in our direction, and I will think I will close it and get some money into the pocket. Also, Italy 40 started to drop in our favor. So would we get some movements in? We get some movement into the game. Come on, let's come on. However, let's sometimes we have to just be a bit more fast in our reactions to close the position with a better profit. I see that Kyriakos has some trades. I'm tending to close the position before. Guys, however, I'm closing the position with $400 profit. $410 profit. I just closed the gold position with $410 profit. Ching ching, our first money today, and now I'm passing our first profit for today. Now, ching ching, Mary. Now I'm passing to Kyriakos.
Thank you very much, Elif. Guys, I would like to inform you that we have opened a third position on Euro Yen. Since we have opened 3 positions, as you can see here, our stop loss is now determined at 130.98. We have also opened a second position on Euro Dollar at 116.11.9, take profit 116.37. And we are getting ready to open a third position long on Pound Dollar, and I will notify you when we do that. Currently, we are down a bit less than $6,000. We are patiently waiting for the right moment to enter the third position on Pound Dollar long again. This drop was not in our plans, in my plans at least. That was a 60 pips drop because of the bad news, but the weak news on the pound. But as you can see now, it has stabilized here, and we will see if it will rebound and allow us to take a third position long on Pound Dollar. As soon as we do that, automatically we will place also our stop loss on Pound Dollar as well for all 3 positions. So for the moment, these are the trades we currently have. Currently down unrealized losses, $6,000. No worries for that. We have a big account, guys. If you have a well-funded account, no need to worry about these losses. It's part of the game as well, and they are unrealized. So I'm monitoring personally the other pairs as well. Let me see, maybe we'll get a short position set up on dollar CAD and on dollar CHF shortly. And let me see about Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar for the moment is not looking so attractive. So we are staying with these 3 pairs, guys. We have Euro Yen, 4 pairs actually. We have opened the maximum position size I will open on Euro Yen. We have opened 2 positions on Euro Dollar, 2 positions on Pound Dollar, and 1 short position on Dollar Yen. So that's all I have for the moment. I'm keeping these trades to run, and if we have any more additions or any extra trades that we will open, I will let you know, guys. How many of you have placed any of these trades? Just let us know in the chat room if you want to discuss anything with us. And we will see you again in approximately at 1 o'clock UTC time, guys, in the evening. So just for you to know, the British pound announcements were not so good. That's why we have this huge candle here. This is a candle of 50 pips, half a figure. that's why we have these sudden losses on pound dollar. But now it has stabilized, and let's see if we will manage to get out of these trades in profit by the end of the day. It's not an unusual thing for the pound dollar to drop and then fully recover by the end of the day. It has done it a lot of times in the past. So let me recap. I repeat, we have full positions on euro yen long. We have 2 positions on euro dollar long, 2 positions on pound dollar. Most probably we will enter our 3rd position as well, and we have shorted dollar yen for the moment. Currently we have decreased our unrealized losses to a bit less than $5,500, and I will update you if I have any profits or determination of stop loss levels on pound dollar, etc. For the moment we keep everything as we have it, and I will update you if I have any more news or any more trades or any more positions. That's all basically. I'm monitoring here my pairs, and if I see anything attractive, I will let you know, guys. And if you have any announcements to make, okay, guys, we would like to thank you very much for your participation. We are keeping these positions open, and we will see their progress in our exciting afternoon session at 1 o'clock p.m. UTC time, guys. Thank you very much for joining us, and we will see you in approximately 4 hours from now. Of course, we will stay live with you and answer any chat messages you might have and the discussion you might request to have with us. Thank you very much, and see you again in approximately 4 hours from now. Thank you for your participation. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to the afternoon trading session, guys. How are you, Patrick? We saw some announcements, Patrick. Yes, you are right. Some US announcements came out worse than expected, and we are referring to the building permits and the housing starts. And no worries, Patrick. We are currently have unrealized losses on Forex of $1,200, and we have realized $3,700. Our euro yen trade didn't work out at all, but we got $681 on our dollar yen trade and $850 on our dollar CHF trade. However, okay, guys, the markets are not easy. I don't know if it is summer, what's the reason behind that. They are not easy at all. A lot of sudden movements. Now you see that everything is falling again. Before 5 minutes, everything was going up. One thing is for sure, it's not easy. Now, during our live trading session and while we were not here talking with you, I have opened some more positions on euro dollar, as you can see here. And I have opened a second position long Aussie dollar, but I haven't determined my stop loss on Aussie dollar yet. The stop loss for all euro dollar trades is at 115.70, guys. Yes, Powell will speak after 1 hour. You are right about that, George. Dollar CAD still don't have a stop loss. If we close any if we close any trade with a profit, then automatically we will adjust our stop loss and put it higher. Guys, I'm telling you that is not the current market conditions, not only in Forex, in indices, in metals, are very, very, very complicated. For example, look at pound dollar. I entered long, guys, and now I need to recover this drop. So basically, out of these losses, as you can see, $3,500 are because of this drop. I mean, how many months you can go behind to see a 1 minute drop of pound dollar of 70 pips? Not even in Brexit, the drop was not like that. But as I have told you many times, guys, these things happen. The key is not to lose your discipline, your patience, and keep calm, enjoy what you are doing. I'm telling you that I'm sure that all of you have some experience now. Losses are part of the game. Mary, you are saying so many positions. Yes, I have positions. This is a strategy that I will follow. 3, 4, and 5 lots, 3 positions on each pair. I'm not placing any stop losses unless I open 3 positions. And as soon as I open 3 positions, 3, 4, and 5 lots, for example, on euro dollar, 3 lots, 4 lots, and 5 lots, I consider this one trade. Then automatically I put my stop loss. The same with euro yen. This is what I have done on euro yen. Now, on Aussie dollar and dollar CAD, currently I have opened 2 positions. And as you can see, we don't have any stop losses yet. If I hit a take profit and I don't open a 3rd position, automatically I will place a stop loss on the other trade, guys. We are here to trade, right? I mean, what's the point of trading Forex and not opening positions? Enjoy the action, enjoy the losses, enjoy the profits, enjoy the cycle of emotions. This is Forex trading, guys. So that's why I am opening so many positions. It's not a bad thing to open positions as far as you manage them correctly. And that's what I'm trying to do here. So let me revise again what we have done. We have these trades open, and unfortunately all positions on euro yen hit stop loss, and that's why we have these losses, guys. We won, however, one trade on dollar CHF. Unfortunately, dollar CHF did not give me the opportunity to open more positions. The same case was for dollar yen, another $681 on dollar yen, but again, unfortunately, I didn't have the opportunity to open more positions. The pairs that gave me the opportunity to open more positions is euro yen, and unfortunately, we hit stop loss. And also, I have 3 positions on pound dollar and 1, 2, and this is together our 3rd position on euro dollar. We will see and we will check it out how it goes. In the meantime, we keep calm, we will see what happens, no worries at all, and we will see how it goes, guys. Has anyone placed a trade on Forex? Share with me your thoughts about euro dollar. Personally, I believe that if it manages and breaks above 116.35, we will see a huge rally, guys. But the point is to break above 116.35, and that's exactly the reason. As you can see, euro dollar reached almost 116 round number. It's a psychological round number, and now is rebounding. Now, I am hoping that it will eventually break the 116.35, and then we can enjoy the upside rally. But in order all of this to happen, we need to have a break above 116.35. Same for pound dollar, we need to have a break above 130.45. If we see a break above 130.45, don't be surprised all this drop to be fully covered. Okay, don't be surprised to do that. Pound dollar is a very volatile pair. It has done it a lot of times, I have seen it happening a lot of times. But we need to have a break above 130.45 for pound dollar and 116.35 for euro dollar, guys. Now, looking on our other trades, we have managed to open, the market has given us the opportunity to open 2 positions on USD CAD, and this for the moment is towards our favor, since we are going short with 7 lots. And also we have managed to open 2 positions long on Aussie dollar. Hello Alan, how are you, my friend? Everything okay? How is your day today? It's all okay, Alan? Are you making money? Because I see that people actually today are not the best day for the people in our live trading room. No money. Okay, guys, I'm telling you that the markets are not easy today, are not easy at all. But as always, that's why we are here, to assist you on any trades you have. So if you have any trades, share them with us. And that's why we are here for you guys. If you have any difficulties, we are facing difficulties as well. We are also human beings. We are suffering losses. We are taking profits. And it's part of the game. As you can see now, guys, the green color has returned back to our trading account. And we are just 2 pips away from closing our 5 lots position long on euro dollar, and 2 pips away from closing our dollar CAD position. Hopefully we manage to do that. We need the euro to break above 116.35, guys, and let's hope that this will be the case for us today. So pound dollar is trying to break now the 130.45 level, and as I told you before, don't be surprised on pound dollar to see a full upside recovery of this candle. It has done it a lot of time, and I believe it will do it again. That's why I'm keeping my positions, guys. No panic. I mean, I was losing 7,000. I'm realized in the morning, so why panic? Enjoy it, guys. So we are ready to hit our first take profits. Actually, are not our first. We have closed dollar CHF with a nice $850 profit, and dollar yen with 661 and 81 dollar. Yes, you can still go long pound dollar, of course you can go long pound dollar if it breaks above 130.45, guys. If it breaks above 130.45, it's a good opportunity for long positions. Allen, M. Lux Liek, okay, you are in, all right. Your stop loss, however, have in mind that your stop loss should be at 129.78. Allen, and keep Kalispera, not Kalimera. Kalimera means good morning. It's good evening. Oh, you almost got it. Yeah, right. Okay. So, I hope I'm right, guys, on pound dollar, because it's a huge upside movement. Huge upside movement. Okay, guys, we just closed our first take profit position on euro dollar, and you can see it's $1,150. Yes, ching ching. So we started to get money now. Currently we are recovering, so we just got $1,150 from one position of 5 lots in total from euro dollar, and I believe more are on the way if the pairs behave as we would like them to do. Now, automatically now, guys, since we have closed the take profit on euro dollar, I'm adjusting now the stop loss for euro dollar for the other 2 remaining positions, guys. I'm adjusting it, and I will put it at 115.95. So stop loss for all euro USD remaining positions at 115.95. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm raising my stop loss to the upside, 115.95. 115.95 for all positions. So that's what I'm doing currently. I have raised my stop loss from 115.70 to 115.95. Let's hope that the upside trend continues. As you can see, we hit marginal take profit on dollar CAD. Very unlucky, guys, on dollar CAD. Look at that. The bid price went, but the ask price did not. No worries. We don't lose our patience. Patience, guys. Patience is the key to success in Forex. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So our total profits for the day are increasing. $3,000 our profitable trades for the moment. We will see how it goes in the meantime, guys. So we are keeping the positions, we are not closing them. Now you see a small pullback on euro dollar, Aussie dollar and pound dollar, which is not in our favor, however. And let's see how they develop, and we will adjust our positions accordingly. The only positions that don't have stop loss are the Aussie dollar and the dollar CAD. Where is a good war when you need her? All right. So don't forget that in approximately 50 minutes to push my call. All right, guys. Exactly. It's better to have peace. All right. So, guys, for the moment, as you can see, Aussie dollar is also performing well for the moment. We are less than 10 pips away from our take profit of the second position we have opened. This is the second position we have opened. Dollar CAD is also approaching the take profit. The second position of euro dollar is also approaching the take profit. Our only problem, and you can see, guys, we are losing $3,400, $500 from that sudden drop on pound dollar. But as I said, I believe that pound dollar will fully recover the drop, and tomorrow maybe these trades are in profit. We have our stop losses in place. If we hit any take profits, we will adjust them, of course. So for the moment, the stop loss of pound dollar is at 129.78. Come on, pound dollar. I think, Patrick, are you with me on pound dollar? Who is with me on pound dollar? Who is with me with pound dollar? Who is with me on Aussie dollar? Come on, guys, tell me. Anyone who has opened a long position pound dollar? Let me check the chat. Alan, pound dollar, you are making some money, right? Let's hope the rally starts, my friend, and it looks that it will start. Still covering the spread, no worries. Our first take profit of the 5 lots position on pound dollar is at 130.56. If it breaks above 130.45, guys, on the 1 minute chart, I believe that we will see a crazy upside recovery for pound dollar, and it will fully recover the drop of the 80 pips in the morning. So let's see if it will break above the 130.45 level. We hope it does. So a small rebound again. You need to be very patient in Forex. Very patient, guys. Don't panic. You need to be very extremely patient. No emotions, no panic, and follow. Yes, that's the biggest problem, actually. That's the biggest problem. Honestly, I'm not feeling well losing $8,000, but you need to accept this and adapt to it. It's a job that you will have these days. As soon as you accept it and you don't panic and you don't, okay. My political career will be terrible, Alan, and you know why? Because I don't know to lie. I cannot lie. I cannot be a politician. So I'm sorry about that. I will disappoint you. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. We are monitoring our trades here, and okay, guys, pound dollar is breaking. Alan, are you ready for a big rally, my friend? Get ready. It's breaking up. Come on. It's a nice pound dollar, Patrick. All right. Okay, guys. We are moments away from the US Open by the moment. And I see that you have some conversation and questions for Elif about gold. Guys, I will give you Elif now, and we will come back if we have any updates on our positions. Elif?
Hey Patrick, hello, welcome to our afternoon session. Here I am. So guys, since this morning we haven't do much here on the indices desk. We closed our gold position during the live trading session. It was our first trade. We closed UK 100 because it was not really moving. It made a huge drop and then it was not moving anymore. Hello Ellen, welcome. No, regarding gold, I was not thinking that it's a really bull market. I was expecting that the bottom will be reached and then we can close, and this is what we did. We made a small profit here. We had a loss on oil. We went short on oil and oil went short, but much later, much later, and our take profit was hit over here and then it dropped. If the position, yes, we went short on oil, but we put our take profit too narrow and it got triggered, and now as you can see oil is dropping quite strongly. If our position wouldn't have been closed, we would have made right now quite a good money, but however this belongs to the trading environment, never mind. And we made some money on Dow Jones. So now it's time. You see Dow Jones is still going up. What we have another 10 minutes, guys. I will go also here on Dow Jones, long on Dow Jones. I will go long on Dow Jones. Let me see. Yep, I'm going long on Dow Jones. There we go. I just opened a position on Dow Jones long. And my take profit is, let's let it run and then we decide for the take profit. Our Italy 40 position is not behaving well to us. We are short on Italy 40. And since we are short, you see this. You see this, we are on a half-an-hour chart and we entered the market at 11 o'clock on this candle. And since then, nothing moved. Look at this. Like here is the entry point. And since then, look at this picture here. Nothing changed, nothing moved. And I'm aiming now during the American opening that maybe some movement might happen here, so we keep that open. Yes, Patrick, oil is since 6 days in a bearish market. This is what I was telling this morning. Here we go. While oil was traded at $74, now it's down to 67, and I believe it will drop more, although today we have the oil inventories. Let's see how they react during the oil inventories, right? Right. So today, as the other few days, we will trade again during the opening the US indices. Let me see. Oh, I see Kyriakos has an update. I'm passing to Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, it seems that the movement we are waiting is ready to be made. And we are approaching now take profit levels on USD CAD. We are just 5 pips away from our take profit. There it is, our take profit. There it is, our $795 is currently approaching our target. And also the break on the pound dollar is ready to be made. So Alan, get ready from now for some nice profits and a big upside rally on pound dollar, my friend. Get ready for that. As you can see, the green color, you are born ready. I like that. So actually it's a 20 pips rally. So if it breaks the 130.45 expected at 130.65 in no time, there is absolutely nothing to be as an obstacle for the price to reach that levels, but this will occur only if it breaks above 135 level. So we are approaching some of our take profits. As you can see, Aussie dollar is nicely approaching our first take profit as $904, guys, and 3 pips away only from our dollar cut second short position. That's another $800, guys. So we have $1,500 pending from Aussie dollar and dollar cut, plus we have another $1,000 from euro dollar. So that's $2,500 pending now, and it's breaking, Alan. Pound dollar is now breaking to the upside, Alan. All right, get ready. 20 pips, free wheel, no barriers now. No barriers. Come on, continue, continue. Don't come back. All right. Plus $20, Alan. Okay, that's good, guys. That's good. Okay, we are very close in hitting our take profits. In 5 minutes, I will switch for the American Open to Elif. Elif, we open in 8 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay, in 5 minutes, I will switch to Elif. Currently, let's see these trades, and we hope that we get some nice profits. We have $2,500 on the table running now, guys. Possible profits. Come on, continue the uptrend. So, just a few pips away from our dollar cut short position to hit take profit. That's $795, guys. No, don't fall. All right. So, let's see, Alan, how the pound didn't break. Didn't break. Wait, however, wait. Wait. Nothing is over yet. I believe on it. No worries. All right. So, Aussie dollar is going up again. Come on. Up. We are approaching now our first take profit. $904 and dollar cut as well. Let's hope that we close in about 2-3 minutes before we switch to the US Open so that we can see these trades live as well, guys. I think, Alan, they will both break together as soon as euro dollar breaks the 116.35. Pound dollar will also break again to the upside, but let's see if this is the case. Okay, guys, they are not breaking for the moment. Let's see during the the US Open if we have some nice movements. So we are just 5 pips away from the markets. If you have any trades opened?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, guys, stay with me for 4 more minutes. At which price you have entered long pound dollar, Alan? Okay, it's going back a bit now. Let's see, guys, how it will behave. It's trying to go up again. Let's see, maybe this is the time we're looking forward to. Come on, pound dollar. It's nice that it's consolidating close to the middle and upper band. It's nice. These are nice formations, guys, but they need to be confirmed as well. Euro dollar now started to go down. The same with Aussie dollar, but we are looking on the 1 minute charts, guys. So they are volatile. Volatility is greater on lower time frames. And we see a small rebound now of pound dollar. Let's see if it will make the rally we are expecting forward to. We want to break above 116.35 for euro dollar and break above 130.45 for pound dollar. We are just 3 minutes away from the US Open. In 2 minutes, I will transfer you to Elif with nice opening trades. She is getting ready for that. For the moment, we are watching euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar CAD. These are the only pairs we currently have positions. For the moment, euro is trying to go up, is falling back again. The same with pound dollar. We are just 3 minutes away from the US Open. Elif, at any time you can tell me to give you the controls. All right, for the moment we are staying with our positions here, live with you guys at Trademy.com. Trademy.com is our website, guys. Have a look on our great training packages and contact our educational support team at Trademy.com if you wish to participate in our live trading community, if you wish to have a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif regarding your strategy, your money management policies, anything that you can understand from theory, or if you wish to see and learn how you apply it in practice. That's why we are here for you guys as your mentors. You can arrange a one-to-one session with us. Alan, I'm not visiting Bulgaria soon, but you are visiting Ayia Napa from what you told me yesterday, right? Da. So get in touch and we can go out for a beer. I would be very glad to see you here in Cyprus. It's not that I don't want to come to Bulgaria, it's that I don't have time to go to Bulgaria because we have this lovely trading room here and this lovely community, guys, and we want really to make money for you, with you actually. And we are very busy here, that's why we don't have time even for vacations. Maybe a seminar in the future, why not? Why not? Why? Actually, you know what, why don't you request that? If you have a group of friends that are interested in joining our trading academy, contact our educational support team, tell them that you have these friends, that you are friends and you are all trading, and why not, they can arrange a training seminar and do it on site for you guys. No problem at all for that, I believe. You just bought gold. Okay, guys, I'm transferring you now to Elif. US Open.
Hello guys, I just bought gold and Alan is saying it's a bad entry. I don't think so. Let's see. I believe the new high over here will be broken through very soon. So I bought gold. Let's see. I will put gold now by side and observe the opening very, very closely. USA 30 Dow Jones position, I have already one open. My Italy 40 position still doesn't really react. I am long on USA 30. I'm long on gold. And let's see how the American opening will affect us. Let's see. We are on the 1 minute chart. Let's put all three US indices in there and see how the reaction will be. Okay, we see already the tension here. Nasdaq is not clear what to do. Dow Jones is dropping quite strongly. I'm very tempted to open another USA 100 buy position. USA 500 is not reacting at all, so I'll just put the gold trade over there to see the possibility of a nice entry point here. Here we go. We open a buy position on USA 100 because we are in a low price and I believe it will just jump and close. And I will open another buy position on gold. I have two positions on gold long. On USA 100 I have a buy position, but it's very less the exposure I bought. That's why I will put a bit more there. Wait, go a bit down, go not more. I want a bit more to go down for you. There we go. I just bought another USA 100 position. Gold is developing really well. There we go. There we go. USA 100. We are making right now $140. Let's buy also a bit of USA 30. Let me see. No, USA 30 I'm not buying. I'm not buying USA 30. There we go. There we go. Well, USA 100 we are making right now $200 on the one position and $70 on the other. I have two gold positions open. On gold, I might get ready to hedge the positions which I have open. Come on, come on, come on. I want to make some money here. Okay. Okay, get ready to close our positions on USA 100. I'm getting ready slowly to close my positions on USA 100. On USA 100, I will close my positions. Come on, with a bit of profit. Let's see what's going on gold, if we should do take some actions. No, I will not take any actions on gold right now. I could have had the possibility of hedging. I could hedge, but to be honest, I don't want to hedge now. It's just a fast movement during the opening, and I don't want to hedge this position. Fuck. Come on, come on. Guys, I will close my USA 100 positions with a loss. It didn't work out. I missed a nice exit level. We had a loss of $300 over here. It's okay. I closed those positions because this move to recover is not that easy. Gold is easy to recover, but here you see this is the entire move of the day. There it doesn't make sense to do something. Here we go. It's not a good start in the second session or in the big session of the day. Okay, gold is not that dangerous. I'm glad that we exit our USA 100 position. USA 30 will be okay. This is not USA 30 will be it's a crazy afternoon, but I see Kyriakos has a very urgent update. I'm passing to Kyriakos.
Okay, guys. Alan, where are you? Pound dollar is breaking, my friend, and we are approaching some take profits. There we go, guys. We are getting ready for our take profits. Look at that. We are getting ready for take profits. Oh, euro dollar $1,004 getting ready to be hit. Just a few pips away. Pound dollar is breaking, guys, to the upside as expected. Is breaking to the upside. My friend Allen, enjoy the profits, my friend. Enjoy the rally. It's 20 pips free rally if it breaks this time. Come on, don't stop now. And we are also approaching our take profit on pound dollar at 56. That's another $1,245 of profit. But as I have told you today, the markets are moving very, 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 very slowly. I mean, 3 movements down, 5 up, 3 movements down, 5 up. Dollar CAD is also approaching our take profit. I believe you can interrupt me at any time you wish. But as, again, it fall down, guys. Again, it fall down. Come on, pound dollar. For George and Allen, come on. Come on, guys. You will get them. The 50 is a small obstacle for the pound dollar, 130.50, but 45 it was a real obstacle. I believe we will have that break. Come on. And 135 for the euro dollar. Okay, guys, we have around $3,000-4,000. If the positions close, it's around $3,000-4,000 in profit for euro dollar, pound dollar, and dollar CAD. We need them to close. We need to make money today. and we will. Okay, pound dollar is getting for another rally. If it hits 130.56, that's a good profit for us with our 5 lots position. It's $1,245, guys. We need this money definitely today. Definitely we will get this money today. And as I said, I'm expecting a full upside recovery of the morning decline on pound dollar. This dollar doesn't know what it wants exactly. Patrick, these were my comments at the beginning of this afternoon trading session. The market conditions right now, for today at least, and for the couple of days, are very difficult. I don't know if it is because of the summer, if it is because of the margin decrease on Forex, increased margin requirements, and we are just 2 pips away from our dollar cut trade, guys. For the second time, look at that, it has touched, the bid price has touched our take profit, but the ask price did not. Okay guys, get ready, we hit take profit on euro dollar. We hit take profit on euro dollar, guys. Let me put it time wise. That's $1,004, $1,004, guys. $1,004 on euro dollar. This is the last take profit we got. For the moment, we just closed $1,004. Now let's go up, up and away. We also want to hit take profit on this dollar cut trade. We are just 2 pips away. It's trying to fall again. And also our pound dollar, that's an additional $1,245 profit, guys. We definitely want. Okay, I will tell you what, let's take the $700 on dollar cut. We just took the $700 profit on dollar cut, and this increases the profits for the afternoon session, guys, to $2,500. I have closed dollar cut. I have given up dollar cut. No worries about that. And also I will now put my stop loss for the first position on dollar cut I have, and I will put it, the stop loss, because I have closed it with a profit, at 132.65, guys. So stop loss for USD cut position at 1.3265. So the stop loss is set for dollar cut at 132.65. Have in mind that we have also a second position on dollar cut short at that it will close at 132.18, guys. So pound dollar is now very close to our take profit level. Come on, break. As soon as euro dollar clears the 116.35, I'm sure that pound dollar will go to the sky, actually, skyrocket. But we want to see that live, guys, here. Let's see. Patrick, you are in euro dollar. Pound dollar. On which trade are you with us? Okay, you are supporting Allen. Gold. Okay, you are in gold. All right, guys. All right, full margin utilization. Be careful with that, Patrick. Be careful with that. All right. Stay with us, guys. Stay with me here. We are just a few pips away from our pound dollar take profit level, which is at 130.56. That's an additional $1,245. Remember that we just closed $700 on euro dollar, $1,004 on euro dollar, and another $1,050 on euro dollar again, together with our profitable trades before. We are doing well today. Let's hope that will continue. And there we go, guys. There we go. Pound dollar is trying, just 5 pips away from our take profit. Just 5 pips away. $1,245. We definitely want these profits. We definitely want this profit to be hit. It's our 5 lots position. Guys, you know what? I will take the 1,000. I just took the 1,000. Oh, it fall. Okay, we just took $920. Not bad at all. I just took $920. And because I have done that, Now I will move my stop loss on pound dollar trades higher because I have taken a profit. $920, not bad. So let me see where I will put my stop loss. I will put it at 130. The stop loss for the remaining pound dollar trades is changed at 130, round number. So I'm lifting up the stop loss 130 for this trade, not 129.78, and 130 for this trade as well, guys. So let's see how the rest of our trades are doing. Currently only one trade is approaching its take profit order, and this is Aussie dollar. This is Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD, we still have another short position. It's doing currently very well as well at 132.18. That's another $585. So we are doing very well in the afternoon session. We have realized $1,150 on euro, another 1,000 on euro dollar, $700 on dollar CAD, and $920 on pound dollar, guys. So our profits for this afternoon session total is plus 1,000, plus 700, plus 920. Guys, we are talking about $3,770 for our afternoon session, guys. So that's not good, that's not bad at all. So we continue, however, we never stop. $3,370, $3,700 profit for the afternoon session. And we are continuing our trading session, of course. We are approaching now our take profit, as you can see, on Aussie dollar is very close now, just 6 pips away from our take profit level. This is a 4 lots position size, and if it is hit, I'm changing also the stop loss for the remaining Aussie dollar trades. Currently, we are only left with 1 position euro dollar, 2 positions pound dollar. We have just closed our 5 lots position a few moments ago, and 1 short position dollar CAD. We just closed our second position, the 4 lots, a few moments ago. As I see here, Aussie dollar is developing very well. Actually, we want it to continue and go up. The same for euro dollar, but the next trade will need to go further up at 116.57 in order to hit our take profit for this position that we have opened in the morning. Again, we are aiming for $681 on euro dollar for our last position. Now the pound dollar, now I like a lot this pattern. I believe it will continue to go up. We still have 2 positions on pound dollar, and let's see if it will develop well as expected. Our dollar CAD position is doing well, so expect some more profits, guys. Remember, in the morning we reached losing from pound dollar around $5,000, but because of this sudden drop. But remember, be patient and believe in your system. Keep your trading discipline. Now pound dollar is losing us $3,000, but overall we are just minus 1,500, and pound dollar is recovering. Let's hope that this recovery will continue and eventually we turn the account positive again for today. So Aussie dollar is doing very well actually. Let's see, dollar CAD is doing well, just a few pips away from our take profit levels for Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. Pound dollar, our take profit is actually much higher. We need a full recovery of the drop in order to hit the take profit. So we will wait for it. We need another 60 pips, I think. So it's far away for the moment. But it's pound dollar, you never know how up or how down can go this pair. So in 10 minutes, we are waiting for the Powell speech, testimony. Who is Powell? Powell is the chairman of the Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve is the equivalent of the Central Bank of European Union, but in the United States. Those of you who don't know who is Powell, it has replaced Janet Yellen a few months ago. And that's it for the moment, guys. We are closely monitoring everything, and if we have any further updates, I will let you know. A small decline now on our euro and pound dollar trades. Let's see. Aussie dollar is stable, and I like that. It's just a few pips away from our take profit, guys. So get ready for another take profit in this afternoon session, $904. And we are with 7 lots on Aussie dollar. As soon as we hit take profit, I will adjust also the stop loss. Currently, we don't have any stop losses, but we are closely monitoring them. So Aussie dollar is developing quite well. Same for dollar CAD, getting ready for our second position we are left with on dollar CAD. And I want to close Aussie dollar at least the first position before the crude oil inventories. Remember that for pound dollar, we have changed our stop loss for both remaining positions. Now it's currently standing at 130. Okay, guys, get ready for another take profit on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is going up. Aussie dollar will make us money. Who is with me on Aussie dollar? It's $904 plus $666. Guys, get ready for another $1,570 on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, guys. Let's see how it goes. Aussie dollar, let's see how it develops. All right, go up, up. Anybody on Aussie dollar with us, guys? Anyone? Any one of you has taken any positions with us on Aussie dollar? Very strong correlation, strong positive correlation with oil. Dollar CAD has a very strong negative correlation with crude oil. So if dollar CAD is falling, oil is going up. Generally speaking, that's not always the case, but 70-75% of the cases, that is the case. So based on the forex positions I have taken, long Aussie dollar, short dollar CAD, I'm expecting the oil price to go up, guys, today. If I was trading oil, I would have gone long. It's the same thing. If you long Aussie dollar, short dollar CAD, it's like going long the crude oil. Let's see, however, because we have crude oil inventories, and the Fed chairman will start talking in about 6 minutes from now. I hope he doesn't mess it up. And our trades develop very well. I definitely want to close Aussie dollar trades and dollar CAD trades. Hopefully they hit our take profit levels before he starts talking. I don't like when he talks. Okay, guys, I will tell you what. I will take the $700 on Aussie dollar. $700 on Aussie dollar, and we are left only with one position, raising our profits for the afternoon session to $4,500 and fully recovering our trading account. The reason I have taken the profits on Aussie dollar is because it's Powell's speech, and why not? Why go with 7 lots during such an important speech? Let's go only with 3 lots. Now, because I have closed with a profit a position on Aussie dollar, I need to adjust now my stop loss, and let me see where the stop loss will be, guys. The stop loss for Aussie dollar trades will be here. 73.30 is the stop loss for Aussie dollar positions. Stop loss at 0.7330. This is the stop loss for Aussie dollar positions, 73.30. So for this trade we are aiming is 73.80 and the stop loss is 73.30. So all of our trades now have stop losses and they are well protected. So I repeat, in the afternoon session, guys, as you can see, lots of action. After losing some trades on euro yen, then we have made a lot of profits and we have managed to turn the account positive. Our current profits are 797. The current profits of the afternoon session is more than $4,500. And we also have these positions open. So pound dollar is not performing well for the moment, but we have our stop loss and we will see how it does. So as you can see, guys, this guy started to talk and it will mix everything around now. So let us see how it will go. Let us see how it will go. Come on, pound dollar. You can recover. Okay, guys. I believe we will leave the trading session to this point, and I hope you have enjoyed the afternoon session and the day with us. We will keep these positions and we will update you of their progress tomorrow. A very nice trading session today for us in the afternoon session. After losing $4,500 on euro yen, we hit a series of take profits. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive winning trades, and we have managed to recover our account balance back to a positive territory. So guys, I would like to personally thank you for me, at least for your participation. That's it from the moment from me, and I will keep you updated of the progress of my trades. I see that Elif now has further updates. We will see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock a.m. I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Guys, here I am again. So basically, yes, the Powell talk already shows some movement while we were making a small profit on gold. The last 5 minutes here, you see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It started to drop significantly. The same is also for Italy 40. We were making money on Italy 40, a small amount, as you can see here, and it started to go up. And USA 30 is okay. It's not a big loss on USA 30, which we have there. It's still going on. So I'm okay on gold. I'm a bit concerned, but gold is extremely volatile asset, as you know, and this is a very strong resistant level. The 1220s are very strong. I believe, although there is a speech that it might bounce back, and I'm wondering I might open another one trade on On gold, if I see that indeed it's a reversal around the 120s. So here, Ellen, I think you were with me in gold since this morning. Here I'm considering again an entry. If this would be the case, we would make around around $900 because I'm aiming to open it in this way. Let me check on forexlife.com if they have already any article about Powell and his speech, which causes me right now a difficult time. As you know, we are expecting also today the oil inventories in about half an hour. Okay. There are some articles, but nothing important about day 2 of Powell's testimony is coming up. This is the latest article. Humphrey Hawkish Part 2. Dow Jones is making money, started to move up, but well, gold is not very nice with me today, guys. Gold is not very nice with me. Yesterday we made a lot of money on gold, and I was expecting today to make as well some kind of money on gold, but it doesn't look very positive. However, as I said, the 1220s are a very strong, very strong level, support level, and I believe over there it will turn as it happened also yesterday. You see at the 120s it turned and it started to go up, and now it reached the 1225s, and I believe this will be again the case. No, guys, I don't see any nice moment or any nice reason to close my trade or to do anything. I will leave it run and check when I will exit it. I will update you on Twitter regarding also the USA 30 trade. I tend to close with a very small profit of $50. Let me see, there we go. $50 I closed, not even $50. I closed my USA 30 trade. It took me too much of my energy to handle it. Gold. Now I want just to focus on gold and see if I can do any movement here. So guys, also from myself, I think for today I don't have anything else to add. I will observe my gold trade. I will observe my gold trade, and No, 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 no. I will not close it. Yes, it's the support level is too extreme to close this trade over there. I will let it run. I have a huge, strong belief, Powell at House Financial Service Committees. So let me see if we got any news. I see it was just released. If it's something for comments on forexlife.com. No, Powell just entered the room, but his prepared comments were released. So no big reaction also here. I will leave my trades open, my gold trades, and let them run. Italy 40, yes, Italy 40 is all day long going a bit down, going a bit up. I will take profit a bit higher. I don't expect a huge profit here, but at least to close. And today is Wednesday. Tonight our swaps will be triple. So in case that you have any position open, just have it in mind that we will get charged triple today for our positions. Guys, if I see two candles closing above the below Bollinger Band, two bullish candles, I will again go long on gold because I'm expecting then the market to move again in this direction. But in case that I will do it, I will let you know. Now at the moment I don't get the signal and I will not do it. Let's see how it will develop. Yeah, guys, also from myself, thank you for being with us here today. Thank you for listening, and we will talk with you. We will trade with you guys tomorrow again at 8 o'clock UTC time. Hope you will be with us. Was not a perfect trading day for us today. Not big losses. We have just a total loss of $600 today. Not big, but still I'm not satisfied with my results today. But also these kind of days belong to every trader's life. I have to sit now and analyze what my mistakes were today and trade and modify my decisions accordingly. I see USA 30, USA 100 positions I closed. I will learn. Good. This was a good decision. However, yes, I will sit down now and analyze all my positions which I closed, what was the reason, and improve my strategy accordingly for tomorrow. So also from myself, I wish you all guys nice afternoon. I just got a notification. Boris Johnson, we must try to save Brexit because we will not get another chance. Okay, this is an article again on Forex Life, which was just released. As I said, I'm not very satisfied with my results today. but still, I will see how it goes and eventually react on my trades. I wish you guys all a nice afternoon. See you tomorrow, hopefully, at 8 o'clock UTC time here at trademy.com for our next trading session, and hopefully tomorrow it will be much better. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.